See you in the garden. Well, I'm trying to make a comparison here of how loud my rooster is inside his box. He's quite loud in the chook pen, but you'll see shortly. I'll get a surprise because he's taking a while to crow, and you'll see the distances. But I can promise you that the neighbours will hardly hear him at all. Anyway, we'll just carry on with this and I'll show you what goes on. So while I'm waiting for him to crow, I'm just pounding around here a little bit. It's pretty early in the morning. I don't let him out till 8:30 in the morning because most people have left work by then. And I'm in a situation here where the neighbour that complains, which is down the back, is happy. And there's a big brick wall between myself and the other neighbour. So here we go.